Well, hey guys, this will probably be day 3 on this damn mess, I'm gonna call it. I've got the yard cleared back up until we get this one off the roof, but I wait on an insurance adjuster to come by. She blatantly said any damage I do pulling it off or after, they won't cover, so they gonna come look at it and estimate the damage with the tree on it. I'm sure they're gonna try to screw me out of money, but that's just how it is and how it happens. I'm not gonna pay a contractor to come in here and do a damn thing. Built the building myself, I'll build it back myself, but hoping to get all of this at least cleared up this evening before dark. A little hickory back there, and then get this cut back all the way to the fence at least. But that's what we're doing. I don't know how much of it I'll video. I've got the 362 out. I've ran the piss out of the Echo, that little 260 that we done. My 340, 346, it's got problems. I think that Warhawk cylinder kind of went on it. Still running on it, just ain't got a lot of power. But these newer saws, it just so smooth. I don't really want to get anything old out. I'm wore out. Worked on it 2 whole days straight. But anyway, I may video a little bit of cutting for you guys just to show you that these will pull a 24 through red oak without a problem. This stuff cuts pretty good. Chain ain't nothing special. We're going to EXL, ground back to the factory specs, and I took 1 extra swap off the drags on it. It don't do too bad. It ain't super grabby, just cuts good and smooth. Well, we found what was left of the chimney. Here's what wood I've got so far. This is all just from the one tree, and we've still got quite a bit to cut. I'll probably park the 362 when we get on this other tree and run something else, I guess. But this thing's eating it. It ain't like no high compression saw, but you can pull on it in that red oak. I've yet to make it fall on its face. I could, I guess, if I wanted to be stupid, but that's a big ass piece of wood. That's over 2 feet. I have a pretty good mess of firewood, but glad to have it, but I'd rather got it a different way. That building is messed up pretty bad. said it once, I'll say it again. I don't know anybody can down that saw. That thing's only 59 cc's. It's Strato, it's M-Tronics. But it's pulling at 24. That's Oregon EXL, full chisel. Like I said, I set it back to the factory specs. It was 55, 25, and 10. And an extra swap off drags. It's smaller wood, it just melts through it. You know, it's cutting this, I guess, as you guys, some of you would say, with authority. Handling a 24 with ease. I've seen guys all over line say that they won't. So I don't know, technically that's a 25. In soft wood, you could probably put a 28 on that saw, no joke. Me personally, I really don't need much more saw than that at all. Obviously for milling or when we get up into 3-foot wood, but this is pretty good sized wood. No one's going to argue that. I mean, it's a red oak. It is what it is, but again, I just don't see how anybody can down that saw. Well guys, it looks like we get a little rain sitting in. It honestly felt good, but think about all else I'm gonna do is these little hickory snag that had uprooted and fell, I've done cut it loose. Gonna get that cleaned up, and then I may cut some more of that trunk down. I don't know, may save it for something else or on another saw, but getting a little hard to reach, to be honest. So I have to back the truck up to it and stand, or maybe one of them blocks of wood or something, but a little hard for me to reach. But anyway, I'm gonna end this one here. Probably be the end of these updates till we get the tree off the building. I'll probably video that. I do have footage of getting the tree off of the house and kind of showing it all initially, and a bunch of pictures I took for the insurance, but oh well, whatever. Shit happens. It is what it is. You guys have a great weekend.